Good morning, everyone. Misty here, and excuse me, I wanted to come on and tell you some good news and share something with you. I have been given the pleasure to be on Artzology's design team. Yay! Deb is an amazing woman. I love her craft, I love what she makes. I love her craft. I love just everything that I have seen of hers. Her DigiKits are absolutely amazing, fantastic. So to be chosen to be on her design team is awesome. So there is the good news. Woo woo! I am so excited. So for the kit that I have chosen to use is, oh, let me get it here. I'm messing everything up. Is the woodland kit, and this, I'm so excited. I love this. How could I not choose it? I mean, look at this face. See that face right there? Look at that face. So cute. So this is one of her pages, and here is the other one. I love the deer, the little bunny sitting here in the corner looking about as cute as he can be. And this one here with the flowers and the stems and leaves and all. So pretty, you guys. I love this here, and this is the world of life of spontaneous. Okay, I can't read it. I can't read it. So, here. There you go. Pause it and read it. So there is that page, and here is this page. Love these. Little face again. Love that face. He's so cute. This one here with the little bird. Y'all know I love my birds. That's so pretty. And the little deer here. This looks like a little frame. So cute. Really, this is an amazing kit, guys. I love this kit. I love how she did the watermarks. All of that. It's just stunning. So there is that. And then I got the add-on. And that is the ephemera for this kit. As soon as I can get my hands going here. How cute. And I think that might go with that. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember. Don't judge me. Anyway, I believe this is the add-on. Or maybe it goes with that. I don't know. These are so beautifully done. Love the bird, the llama here, the deer sleeping, the bunny being all up in your business. And then this here is, look at this, the little tickets, the washi here, I call it washi, and here is the tags. I love these tags. Oh, I have another sheet of that. Go me. Let me turn it over. Here, look at the little fox. So, these are just amazing. Absolutely amazing. And then you have your little cards here that fit right here in this envelope. So that is the kit I decided to use. I have ideas in how I want to create with this kit. I just am not sure how I'm going to pull it off, but I'm going to try. So that is my design team project. kit that I'm going to start creating with. You guys need to go check her out. Check out her digis. She is absolutely amazing. I created one for the audition, a journal for the audition, and I really enjoyed doing it. And I was just so excited that she had chosen me to be able to create with her digis. The only thing that I strive to do is to do her kits justice. And I sure hope I can pull that off. At least I am going to try to do it. But I'm so excited to get started on this DT. I'm going to do some craft alongs, creating some things, and yeah. I'm sorry, it's 10 o'clock at night. It's been a long day, you guys. And most of you know I have a 2-year-old, and he does not like to behave himself. And then with school being out, I've got the oldest one who's creeping in the kitchen right now as I'm talking. Yeah, it's just been a long day. So I'm recording this at night. It'll be uploaded in the morning because that's just how I have to do it to get some peace and quiet to do this. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Keep a lookout for the Craft With Me videos that I will be putting up on some of the ephemera and things that I'll be doing with these kits, with this kit. If you guys enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and stay tuned. I hope you all have a great day. Deb, again, thank you so much for choosing me. I am so grateful that you have, and I'm so excited to design for you. Have a good day. And oh yeah, I gotta leave you with what I always do, with a goodbye, a God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.